Hi everyone, welcome to English 101 or Writing 1. So this is the section that meets on Tuesdays. This is a hybrid course. So we meet on Tuesday at 8 a.m. in the auditorium building, room 37. My name's Addison James, I'm your instructor. I just want to send you this video and let you know that the Blackboard Shell is open. And when you come to the Blackboard Shell, you have this 00 module. It has some resources for you. You see this 00, the hub. You're going to have to go and register for the book. I have some instructions here, and then this is how you, when you click it, it'll say like log in, and you'll be like, I don't have an account or anything. But you click on the don't have an account or have never set up an account. Or sign up. So you set up, click on that, and then you pick your username and password. I just use the email address. I would use, if I were you, your same KCTCS HCC email address and password. So it's easy, but set up the account. And once you set up the account, it should automatically link you every time you click the ebook access. And that's where you're always going to go to access the ebook, this 00 module called the hub. And then I've opened this 00 getting started, techie type skills, and hybrid format information. So what I'm asking you to do here, I have an overview, and then I'm sending you a copy of the syllabus. I want you to read the syllabus. I have this first week Q&A. So if you have any questions, just like what book do we have, where is the book, where's the hub, how do I access it, how are we graded, what's this policy, you can put them here and maybe someone in the group can answer because they've already looked at the syllabus, or I'll answer in some information about hybrid instruction. I have this short discussion board called a brevity. It's for no points. And then I have this thing called using the Microsoft Waffle and Blackboard Ultra info. And then I ask you to upload an image or an avatar so that when we're interacting online, it's not just that gray silhouette. I've hidden this because we're going to do this like library unit to help increase your knowledge on the library, but I don't have it all finished out yet. Your first module, 01, the marshmallow test, is open. You can click on that. There's an overview, a start here, so that's where you always start. And if you'll notice, there's this thing called progress tracker, where each time you click on something, it makes like fills in the green little bubble beside it, and so then like once you've done everything in that content area, it'll go green, like check, I've done all that. So you can look at the information here, and you can see that you've got some due dates that are coming up. These due dates are accurate. So class starts on the 16th, and then on the 17th you have info check 1 due, and you have a discussion. You have to do these readings in the book. Continue working. You have to summarize and analyze for an activity of what you're reading. Another discussion board, and then you're doing an academic essay, short academic essay, kind of see where you're at. Hopefully you know how to use MLA format, but I've got some information on MLA documentation here. So what I'm asking you to do now is just look through this. Class is going to start tomorrow, and we are going to talk more in depth about the syllabus and module 1, how we use the ebook, all that kind of stuff. But now you might just want to start looking around at some of the content that's available to you. And if you have any questions, send me an email. All right, it is August 15th, beginning of the fall 22 semester. I hope everyone has a great semester. I'm looking forward to being your Writing 1 instructor. So have a good day. Have a good week. See you tomorrow. See you Tuesday.